Clear that section now. Watch the chainsaws. Load it up, moving the barrow.
We need more posts over here. Clear that rubble now. Watch out for the excavator.
It's getting cold fast. Yeah, let's get out of here. Is everything loaded? Yeah, I think so. All right, pry it up.
Straps secured, start the hoist. Lifting now, guide it steady to the right.
Keep it moving, load the belt. Clear this section now. Watch the recyclables, hurry up.
Right there, dig deeper. Hitting the grinder now. Keep pressure on that saw.
Almost there, watch the tension. Clear, setting it down. Bagging the artifacts now. Careful, they're fragile.
The lift on this section looks promising. Agreed. The colorimeter shows a significant delta E value. It's cut. Take the weight, lift it up. Watch the corner, clear the wall.
All right, secure the tower gear. Copy that, shutting down the generator now. Truck 4 is loaded and ready to roll out.
All right, team, safety briefing complete. Riggers, attach the slings to beam 1.
Slings secure, ready for tension. Hold it steady, aligning the top hole. Got it. Send the first bolt.
We need the next purlin up here. Sending it now, watch the ropes. All right, secure that end first. All right, swing it right. Hold it steady. Line up the holes. Get the torque wrench ready.
Hard to believe we got the arches done today. It's something else at night, isn't it? We earned this break, boys.
I need a 48 1/4 up here. Coming up, 48 1/4. Sending up the next load.
Left 2 inches. Forward.
Clear the drill, moving to injection. Pumping epoxy, check the next port. Ties in, switching to grout nozzle.
Careful with the dust from the drilling. Almost finished the second coat here. This soap should lift the rest of the grime.
All right, hold steady. Guide it in.
Perfect. Swings smooth as butter.
The sound in here is incredible now that the roof is done.
Yeah, much warmer than before.
Remember when that buttress was leaning?
This one is the rose window crate.
Confirmed. Taking it inside now. Be careful on the ramp.
Bring it up, steady now. Incredible. The light is perfect. Push it through.
Got it. Start securing the flashing. Heavy glass coming up. Checking the light refraction. Starting the patina application now.
The installation looks magnificent. Truly stunning work.
Thank you, sir. My team did excellent work. Look at that rose window. It's magnificent. I've never seen anything like it. See how the sacred geometry catches the evening light. This blue and gold, that's the soul of the church shining through.
Looks good.
Yep.
Feather this section now.
Yep.
Check the light on this joint.
How's the coverage? Looking good. Angle this one towards the altar. Pulling the next cable through now. Looks good from here, focus on the arches next. I think that's it. It looks beautiful, simple, just right. The light highlights the texture perfectly. We need to center the table exactly on that projection. Okay, lift slightly on your end. The chairs look good around the perimeter. Okay, the frame is solid. Sconces mounted, checking the bulbs now. The rug is centered and secure.
Wow.
We did this. We really did.
Okay, let's go.
This is perfect.
It is.
A little wine to go with that. You made it. Here, let me get that for you. Oh, thank you. To friendship.
Cheers, guys. to the new beginnings. Cheers to that. Here,